Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy Learning Business Studies. Today we are going to learn financing decision. Financing decision relates to the level or amount of finance to be raised from various long-term sources. If you want to raise finance, that is long-term sources, we have two different options. One is shares, another one is debentures. Shares, shareholders fund refers to share capital or reserves and surpluses and retained earning. And borrowed fund refers to debt. From debentures, we are getting borrowed fund and finance raised through the public deposits or other forms of debt also. Debt as well as equity differs in terms of their cost as well as risk of the firm. Cost of debt. Now, if we are getting more and more debentures fund, that is debenture holders fund, then automatically we have to give the rate of return as well as the repayment of the capital also. Now, if we are getting more fund from the shareholders, then we have to give dividend to the shareholders. So now we have understood that we have two different long-term sources. One is shareholders fund, another one is debenture holders fund. Okay, which is best to get long-term finance? So here the cost of debt is lower than cost of equity for the firm. How we are saying the cost of debt is lower? Suppose if the company is borrowing amount of rupees 5 crore, then that company should pay the interest as well as the at the maturity period the company should repay the capital also. Now how much they are paying the interest, that interest is tax deductible, so that is a benefit for the company. Whereas if we are getting same 5 crore from shareholders fund, we are paying dividend to the shareholders, but that dividend also will be included when we are paying tax. So, in short, we can say debt is cheaper but is more risk for the business because interest on debt has to be paid whether the company is earning profit or not. Likewise, borrowed funds have to be repaid on maturity time. Thus, increased use of debt increases the financial risk also. On the other hand, if we are comparing shareholders fund, that involves no commitment regarding the payment of dividend as well as repayment of capital also. That's why even though the debt is very cheaper, we will say equity is considered riskless for the business, because when we are getting profit from the shareholders fund, we can give dividend. If the company is not earning profit, then we need not pay any dividend to the shareholders. Thus, financing decision determines the overall cost of capital and financial risk of a enterprise also. Let's see the various factors affecting financing decision. Number one, cost. The cost of raising funds through different sources are something different. A wise finance manager should always choose the cheapest source of finance. Debenture is the cheapest source of finance because the interest paid on debenture is a tax deductible expenses. Risk is another factor that affecting the financing decision. The risk associated with the different sources something different. Debt is cheaper but is more risky for the business because it is mandatory to pay the interest on debt and redeem the principal amount also on maturity time. So any default in meeting these commitments may force the business to go into liquidation also. But in case of equity, there is no such compulsion. Next factor is flotation cost. Cost of raising fund is called flotation cost. Example, we can say cost of advertisement, printing prospectus, etc. So higher the flotation cost, less attractive is the source. The next factor is cash flow position. A strong cash flow position recommends more debt financing. A company with very good cash flow position can take a benefit of debt, because debt is a cheaper finance, as the interest of payment as well as the refund of principal also is very easy. However, in case the company is having shortage of cash, in that situation they can go for equity. The next factor is control. The control of a company lies with equity shareholders, because shareholders are owners of the company. Debt financing has no such implication, because debenture holders are creditors of the company. Whether the company is earning profit or not, the debenture holder will get continuous return, and during the maturity period they will get a repayment also. If existing shareholders want to retain complete control over business, then debt should be preferred to raise further finance. The next factor is capital market condition. The condition in capital market also plays a very important role in financing decision. During the period when stock market is rising, then more people are ready to invest in equity. However, if any depression period, during that period people prefer debentures only, which are secured and guarantee for the fixed rate of interest as well as the repayment of capital also. So we can recollect various other factors that are affecting financing decision. Number 1, cost. Number 2, risk. Number 3, flotation cost. Number 4, cash flow position. Number 5, fixed cost. And number 6, control. And then finally we have capital market condition. Hope you have understood the financing decision. Thank you.